Today I was in a neighboring village, the Palingi village, Parimo, Central Sulawesi. The view here is really good. There are rice fields and beaches. So today I plan to install fish traps in the rice field drains. This is the spot. I made the trap first. Making the trap is very easy. For the iron net I used 3 meters. I have finished making the trap. Now just install it. In this village the rice is still green. It's different from the one in Sasu. If the one in Sasu has already been harvested. Now I'm heading to the spot where the trap was set. I'm looking for 4 pieces of wood. 5 pieces of wood can also be used. This wood is used to stick in the trap, so that the trap doesn't float away when the water is big, because it's rainy season here. So this is the spot for installing the fish trap. I'll try to take a look first. If the hatch position is good, I put it here. It looks good here. I want to get ready to go down. When I went down, it turned out that the sewer was deep, and the ground beneath it wasn't even, so I just moved to another spot. Here, I found a water fork spot. I really like to set fish traps at water junctions, because at the water junction is where the fish gather. And I set fish traps and never use bait. Since I was little, I've never used bait. Set fish traps, and the results always come. Before that you have to look at the place first. This seems like a suitable place to set fish traps. I immediately plugged in the wood I was looking for. The plug must be strong. So that the fish don't pass through the side, I cover it with grass. On the other side, I covered it with coconut leaves, so the fish don't pass through the side. I'm going to check the hole first. I'm afraid there's a hole that's closed. I've finished installing the trap. Because it's really late in the afternoon, I'm going straight home. At night I was in the rice fields. I shot this fish. I brought sand and a flashlight. This arrow is very effective, especially when shooting. You will immediately move in nature. I have installed this market rubber. Wow, someone is setting up a trawl here. There was a fish that caught too. Here I see a fish that is alone. The fish goes straight to heaven. There the fish met its crush, so you won't be alone anymore. This is the first shot. Here I see there is a big fish. I tried to get ready to shoot. I got it. My shots never miss. The size of the fish is quite large. I continued looking for fish. Here I see there are fish hiding. The fish are not very visible. Requires high concentration and chakra. I thought the big fish turned out to be a small fish. Early in the morning I saw a fish trap. I've arrived at the trap. For the spot at the water junction, I set the fish trap here. I immediately went down to see my fish trap. I hope my fish trap catches lots of fish. For the trash that's stuck, I'll get rid of it first. Wow, I got quite a lot. The water junction spot was really cool. I quickly made this fish go up to the top. Wow, there is a different fish. Today's results are pretty good. Make breakfast. For all the fish I pour into the bucket. What fish are you at your place? I got 3 fish. This is almost similar to arowana. This is the fish I got. Here it is called moonbulan fish. This small one is taus fish. I installed the trap again. I tried to leave it one day and one night. No wonder there are a lot of fish here. There are a lot of young tilapia fish. So these are the ingredients for the chili sauce. I clean a little fish. I took the rest home and gave it to my parents. I puree the chili ingredients. For the chili sauce, I fried it. Stir until it cooks evenly. I put in a little water. This is bay leaf from Green Rica. The next stage, I put the fish in. I filled in a little masako. Stir until evenly mixed. For the cucumber, I peeled it. Now I cut the cucumber into pieces. I put it straight into the fish sauce. Just wait 15 minutes. It looks like it's ripe. And this is the result. Freshly caught fish tastes really delicious. Sweet like your smile. It tastes good for the chili sauce to soak in. I want to continue eating first. Those who want to eat come closer. My cooking is really delicious. In the afternoon, I looked for fish in puddles of water. In my village, the rice harvest season had just finished. So this is Sasu Taliabo village housing, Sasu Parimo, Central Sulawesi. In the rice fields, I found something. When I caught it, it turned out to be a lizard. This lizard is still small, so I let it go again. At the cottage, I saw a cat. The cat was cute and cute like you. Wow, there are a lot of birds in coconuts. Here they are called cucker birds. Here I found a puddle. I'll clean the sides first. Now it's time to drain the water. In less than 5 minutes the water was gone. Not finished, but there is still a little. Now is the time to take the fish. I pour the fish that have entered the net into the bucket. Here I got a seapat fish which has a really nice color. It has a green color like that. For a good catfish, I keep it in an aquarium. The green color only shows a little. For the rest of the fish, I want to use an eel fishing rod. It seems like I didn't set out my eel fishing rod because the river was flooded. It was raining heavily on the mountain. Here I have brought a bucket and net. I found a small ditch, but next to it there was a puddle of water. It looked like there were lots of fish. I closed this part so the water doesn't flow. This is finished. Next to it I made a dam so that the water wouldn't come back again. Now it's time to drain the water. This requires a lot of chakra. This is the first time I've drained this much water. After a few minutes the water is gone. I'm using fast mode. The cool language is seinen mode. Now it's time for me to net the fish. There were some fish that got into the net. I poured it straight into the bucket. I just got a few fish. I got 3 kinds of fish. These are baby tas fish. The rest are seapat fish and batak fish. In the rice field drain, I found a puddle of water. I hope there are lots of fish here. As usual, I drain it using chakra. Luckily my chakra is unlimited. The fish are starting to appear. Now take the fish. Many fish hide under this concrete. There are also those that go under the wood. I tried using a net. When I picked it up it turned out I got an eel earlier. I saw there were lots of eels here, but they went into the mud first. For the time being I keep the fish on the road. I get quite a lot of fish. Here I also get rare fish. For the dead fish I give my canna. For this little one I feed fish. I have given food to everyone. Here are kombrang stems and kombrang flowers. I've cut the stems and flowers of the kekombrang into small pieces for the chili sauce. I've pured it. First I fried the fish. It's ripe. For chili sauce I fried it. I put in pieces of kombrang stems. Stir until the fish is evenly distributed. I put it in. This is the fish I caught earlier. It looks like it's cooked. And this is the result. Finally, my hungry stomach is filled. I really like the kombrang stems because they taste delicious and smell good. The meat of the batak fish is also delicious, but you have to be careful when eating it because the batak fish has a lot of spines. Take lots of kekombrang stem chili sauce and add green rica. While I was eating, I saw something in the tree. I'm looking for coconut fronds. I just looked for 2. It seems like it's enough. The way to hold it is as comfortable as our love. For the target is already locked. Two mangoes fell. All of you must have done this. I swear it's really fun. It seems this is enough. This contains mango, papaya, and chili sauce ingredients. There is salt and sugar. I pureed the chili sauce first. After it was evenly smooth, I pounded the shrimp paste again until evenly mixed. Now, I fill in a little lime. Stir until evenly mixed. This chili sauce is ready. Now I peel the mango. For the mango, I've sliced it into small pieces. Now dip it in the chili sauce. Watch it. Watch out for drooling. The taste of the chili sauce is sweet and sour and spicy. For those of you who want to log in, let's log in and taste my chili sauce remotely. To make it more tempting, I put the mango on top of the chili sauce. Basically, I'll make you drool.